In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a shared Google Calendar to your iPhone. Now, what you want to do is you want to just open up the settings and scroll all the way down till you see the calendars right there. And once you're there, all you have to do is click on accounts, and then you want to add an account. Now, if you click on that, you will see the iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, and Outlook. But you don't want to click on any of those. You want to click on Other, as you can see right there. And then click on the bottom one under the calendar sections. It's the Add Subscribed Calendar right there. And here you want to fill in or paste in the shared link of that Google Calendar. So yeah, that's basically it. If you click on next, then you can add that account the calendar. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.